Alright, we are back now. We're going to go ahead and take the old hard drive out of the Dell, put in the new hard drive using our iFixit kit. So let's get started. Flip it around. Okay, so instantly you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. Not too bad. Let's go ahead and get those out. These screws are kind of loose, so I can tell somebody's been in here already. Who is the question? Okay, I think I see 2 more. Alright, let's move those over to the side. This should just come right up. In theory. Okay. So that's could use one of these little plastic tools to try to pry it out. Something feels like it's still holding it in. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. So before I do anything else, yeah. Try not to blow these screws. It looks pretty clean, so somebody might have already cleaned this recently. But, okay, right there is our hard drive. So, let's go ahead. Looks like there's 1 screw there. Let's remove that. One more screw there, it looks like. And another one there. And this is freestyling repair, guys. This is where you just open things up and figure things out on the fly. And it is okay to make mistakes, okay? Okay, let's lift that up there. Awesome, and just disconnect it. Okay, just like that. So our old hard drive is out. So what we're gonna do is take off these 4 screws, 2 on each side, 1, 2, 3, 4. And add that to our new drive, and then we'll install. Be right back. Okay, let's do this. It came out, and 4. Okay, so lift that off like that, slide it down, bring the new hard drive. I'm going to match them up, make sure they're the exact same. Okay, slide that right over, just like so. And then install the screws. Make sure you do not tighten the screws down until all 4 are in. and then you tighten. Okay, so all four are in. I'm going to tighten. Make sure you do not over tighten. Sorry if I'm out of frame. Okay, alright, there we go. Okay, now we'll put the hard drive back inside. Okay, here we go. Awesome. Okay, and then 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Depending on your laptop, you may not even need to remove the back. Some of the laptops you can pull the hard drive out of the side, but the screw configuration can be different. But like I said, do a freestyle repair, open it up, take a look. It's usually really easy to remove a hard drive. A lot of the other parts are pretty easy as well. Okay, 3rd screw here. While you guys are watching me do this, remember to like and subscribe. I'm going to be filming a lot of videos, so you're going to want to hit that subscribe button. Okay. Alright, so now that's on. Let's go ahead and put the plate back on. Actually, this came off of somewhere on the side. I think that is here. There's a little black rubber piece. It's okay to lose pieces. I mean, not to lose them, but if you see something's falling off, go ahead and put it back in. Okay, and that's in full. Okay, let's go put the back plate back on, and then we'll boot this thing up and see what's going to happen. Alright, now it looks like it goes right on here. Okay, looks good. Let's get the screws in. Same thing, do not tighten until all the screws are in. Last but not least, here we go. Okay, then we can go ahead and tighten. And we'll do this. Kind of go zigzag. Done. I think so. Okay, guys, so flip it over. Ooh, my battery's running low, so let's try to get this thing and running. Will take a little longer to boot up on its first run, so go ahead and just let that sit. Alright guys, new hard drive is installed and working. Make sure you sign in, check everything, make sure everything's good. I have done that already. Hard drive is working. Thank you guys again. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.